Hello friends, in last video talk about the types of cells in nervous system. So the topic is I choose today's neuron. So let's me first dry structure. It's very simple as you can see. Neuron. This is cell body. It's a cell body. These are dendrites. And these are dendrites. And this is nucleus. This is initial segment of axon, and this is node of Ranveer, node of Ranveer, and these are myelin sheets. Myelin sheets, and this the tube like which is going inside is axon, and this is Schwann cells. This is Schwann cell, and all these are Schwann cells. Okay, let me explain this now. A cell consists of three parts. The first is cell body, as you can see. The second is dendrite. The third is axon. And the last point where the axon is end is known as terminal. Terminal of axon, you can also say that the terminal mean end, where the axon is end and next stage is started there. So let me explain. As you can see here, cell body. I will mention here the cell body cell body. Cell body make this gray matter. Gray matter second, this nucleus, and the third point is ganglia. Ganglia. The cell body make these three cells, three types of things. The set is, the first is gray matter. Gray matter is present here, and nucleus and ganglias are also present there. And the second point is dendrites. Dendrites. As you can see, these are dendrites like a tree. These are dendrites in nervous system. So dendrites are short. These are short in length. Short in length. Short in length but in large. But second point is in large, or mean thick. You now see the thick. So dendrites bring the messages toward the cell. You can see they bring the message toward the cell, bring the messages toward the cell. So the function of neuron is to bring impulses or messages towards cell body. The third point is axon. Axon are large in length, or also you can say long in length. The second point, they form white matter. Cell body was make gray matter, axon make white matter. White matter. The next point is they take the messages away from the cell body. Take messages away from cell body. So this is the topic of today. Let me explain again. I talked about neuron. Neuron is a cell that is found in our system. Neuron consists of three parts. The first is cell body. The second is dendrites. The third is axon. As I also explained, their locations and also their contents. Cell body contains of gray matter, nucleus and ganglia. Dendrites were short in length, in large or thick, and they bring the message towards the cell body. And axon were large in length or long in length, consist of gray matter, and take messages away from the cell body. And let me explain something here. This is the initial segment of the axon, where axon is started. Main dendrites is end here, and axon is start from here to end. A terminal is the end of the axon. This is myelin sheath, and this is Schwann cell. These are Schwann cells over the myelin sheath, and this axon go inside of Schwann cells and myelin sheath. So let me explain this point clearly. Suppose there are two types of Schwann cells. If small length of this is Schwann cell and trough here, if small length of axon passed inside the Schwann cell, these are non-Schwann cell, non-myelinating Schwann cell. If large axon is passed over Schwann cell. These are myelinated or myelinating Schwann cells. Like, focus here, like this is if I cut this axon from here in this way, then take this part here, it will look this is axon and cell membrane of myelin sheet will wrapped around this, and the Schwann cell will at the top, and also have nucleus. So this is the axon, this is membrane of myelin sheet. Membrane of myelin sheet actually is fat. So this fat layer is formed by Schwann cells around the nucleus. So it's wrapped around and around again and again and again and again like this. I hope you understand this lecture. If you enjoy this, like this, share and comment below. Thanks very much for watching.